In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Exness demo account in MT5. First, start by opening MetaTrader 5, commonly known as MT5. When you open the application, you will see a clean and organized interface. The main screen displays various charts and market information, which is essential for trading. You might notice the different panels on the platform, including the Market Watch, Navigator, and Terminal. Each of these panels serves a unique purpose in your trading experience. Opening MT5 is crucial because it serves as your gateway to trading with Exness, allowing you to execute trades, analyze market trends, and manage your account efficiently. Next, click on the File menu located at the top left corner of your MT5 window. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option labeled Login to Trade Account. This action is essential because it directs you to the login interface where you can input your account details. You will see a dialog box prompting you to enter your login credentials. This step is vital for ensuring that you access the correct trading account, which is necessary for your trading activities. Now, enter your Exness demo account login information. This includes your unique login ID, which is provided when you create your demo account. Next, input your password. Make sure to enter these details carefully, as any mistakes could prevent you from accessing your account. It's important to keep your login credentials secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. After entering your login ID and password, you'll also need to provide the demo server. The server information can typically be found in your Exness personal area. This step is important because it connects you to the correct trading environment, allowing for accurate trading operations. After that, once you've entered all the required information, click the Login button. This action will prompt MT5 to process your login credentials and connect you to your demo account. If everything is entered correctly, you should see a confirmation message indicating that you are logged in successfully. This moment is crucial because it represents the transition from setup to actual trading readiness. You are now one step closer to trading with virtual funds. Finally, once connected, your Exness demo account will appear in MT5. You will notice your account balance and other relevant information displayed prominently on the platform. At this point, you can begin trading with virtual funds, allowing you to practice your trading strategies without any financial risk. This is a valuable opportunity to familiarize yourself with the MT5 platform. It also allows you to test different trading techniques and understand market dynamics. Remember, practicing with a demo account is a safe way to build confidence before trading with real money. By following these steps, you have successfully added your Exness demo account in MT5. You can now explore the various features, tools, and functionalities that MT5 offers. Enjoy your trading journey and remember to take your time learning the platform's ins and outs. Happy trading!